Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the famous burp and coat strike again. As you see, I have evidence of being in the fields. This is the burp and coat evidence. That's the strongback evidence. And this is the final stage to harvesting the strongback herbs. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to wash the dirt off the roots that I've harvested. Then I'm going to dry the water to preserve and cure the herbs. So I just want you to see how much strongback I've harvested in the morning here from just the side of the road here in South Florida. And like I tell you, whenever I come out and I start working, someone always come working next door. But I got enough strongback right now that I can say, yeah, I can wash these off. So I'm going to organize them, clean off the roots, and dry them, because you're tuned in to the Crocus Bag Farmer. We're going to preserve them for you, and you can get them. Strongback, ladies and gentlemen. Good for your back, good for your road. Stimulate like a fruit. It's the truth. Remember to subscribe to the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yes, we love with farming from evening till the morning. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, Yeah.